Oh, welcome back to It's New. Greg is here. He's just not really here. He'll be here in a second. But let's get into it. Welcome back anew. Great to see you. Morty's super happy you're back.
I am actually. I am. No, I really am. It's like seeing
He's
you.
expecting a whale. Like,
oh my god!
I would. Yeah, I'm still waiting for my souvenir from SeaWorld, but I'll just wait a little longer.
I'll message them and answer it as a special request. Make a special.
Next time you go whale watching, just get me a souvenir.
Yeah, we missed those whales.
There he is.
Oh, hey Greg, we're just getting started, so thanks for being here. Morty, what do you got for us?
So apparently, not all is well with the internet. Who knew?
Anu?
Google is being slapped with a fine by the EU.
I'll be covering AI mode. Is it going to be the default soon, or maybe not? Greg?
And Apple is asking Siri to be better.
All right. Morty, whenever you're ready to start.
So we've covered on this show, and Barry's covered on his own numerous times. I think it's required its own new Happy Face Teeth Doom video. But that's obviously, yeah. That Sundar Pichai and some other VP, whatever, Fox, whatever his name is, everything is fine with the internet. There's no problems, more traffic. Everyone's better traffic, happier traffic, more traffic, better, happier, more smiley, happy, shiny people all the time. Turns out in a doc that came out from the court document that came out from the ruling, the DOJ trial, federal court stuff.
This is after the ruling. Google.
Oh, sorry. To me, it's all just legal court stuff.
And so it's more recent. It's actually very recent. It was filed on Friday. So go ahead.
Friday?
Yeah.
It's new.
Very new.
So they said that the fact is that today the open web is already in rapid decline. This is part of the defense of why they shouldn't be broken up. I thought the web was not. I thought everything was fine. Smiley, happy web visitors.
Yeah. It's kind of crazy. Yeah. Sundar Pichai goes off in May and says web publishing is not dying in that interview with The Verge. And then Nick Fox was interviewed and he's like, the web is thriving. And then John Mueller's like, yeah, the web is thriving. And then, yeah, this court document says the opposite. The open web is in rapid decline.
Well, I, for one, don't believe a secret court document that isn't part of the public world and marketing sphere. I choose to believe what marketing people and CEOs say in public at face value.
Right. And what's killing the web? What's killing whales? It's the same thing.
The plastic thing from soda thing?
Plastics are killing everything.
That's fair.
Right, Greg?
Meat? Plastics? Yeah.
Plastics
yeah. I don't think that the little 6-pack plastic wrappers are really getting around a whale snout.
I should use a Google logo with like a 6-pack, like strangling the Google logo.
That's a great image. We should ask AI to do that.
Anyway, yeah, web is dying. Sorry. But is Google dying along with it with a $3.5 billion fine?
They could be. Well, yeah, I mean, with all the billions that they've got, yeah, very, very unlikely. So yeah, the EU last week slapped Google with a $3.5 billion fine over anti-competitive ad tech. The anti-competitive ad tech business, saying that they're going to be forced to divest even the business. And yeah, Barry covered this for us kindly on Search Engine Land, saying that, yeah, the commission also ordered Google to bring these self-preferencing practices to an end and implement measures to seize its inherent conflicts of interest along the ad tech supply chain. And Google has 6 days to respond. And Google saying that, of course, they're going to appeal this. Yeah, this is something that's been going on since like 2018, with where the EU Commission charged Google with violating the EU antitrust laws and suggested another mandatory divestment. And this comes alongside, even the US DOJ saying that, Chrome needs to be sold, and all of that is still ongoing. And I have no hopes that any of this is going to make any headway. And yeah, they're still going to keep all their billions. So yeah, Google has nothing to worry about. They're just going to keep appealing until the end of time.
Yeah. And then several hours later, Trump's like, don't mess with my EU,
right.
Or I'm going to slap the fines on you. Morty doesn't seem happy with that.
This all stuff is so crazy.
It is. It's fun. The whole politics. And then over the weekend, we had a little bit of a, I don't know, shuffle. Late on Friday afternoon, Robbie Stein went ahead and announced that Google search, like Google AI mode, there's a shortcut for it. Google.com/AI will actually direct you now to Google AI mode, assuming you have access to AI mode. Then somebody asked Logan, who is basically the lead project manager at Google for like DeepMind and all AI stuff. It must be the default. We got to make this the default. AI mode should be the default. And Logan responded, soon. And then everybody was like, Barry, you got to cover it. But I was already offline for Shabbat. And then I get back online. It was like 100 messages. You got to cover this. So I covered it. And after I covered it the next day, Google's Robbie Stein said, I wouldn't look too much into this. I wouldn't read too much into this. That basically AI mode is not going to become the default soon for search. We're just making ways to make AI mode more accessible and more easier to access. So despite what Sundar Pichai said about integrating and incorporating AI mode into main search months ago, and Liz Reed, the head of Google Search, saying at Google I/O in May that AI mode is the future of Google Search, it's not going to be the future of Google AI Search that soon, at least not soon. I don't know how you define soon. We really shouldn't read too much into what Google statements are being made on any platform at all.
Hey, Greg, what's the over-under on a court document coming out tomorrow saying that AI mode is coming out next week?
I'll go under. I don't think it's next week.
I mean, as long as maybe Apple can help us with that and figure out the answers to the future.
Yeah, Apple actually is going to be helping themselves out with that, according to a report from Bloomberg, where Siri will be revamped for 2026 using Apple Intelligence and Apple Search features. So the search system is going to be called World Knowledge Answers, WKA. Is that what we're calling it? WKA. And it can look up information across the internet and provide an AI-powered summarization system to make results more quickly digestible and accurate. So those will also be added to the Safari web browser and Spotlight and the default iPhone search. This does say that it is going to be going off of, I believe it was Google Gemini powered, and I would assume it'd be sort of like a real Chat GPT-ish experience, or like a Siri that didn't suck. That would be my guess, because Siri right now, nobody uses it. It's pretty terrible. But if you actually took it and you made that good, it could be a game changer. Like, it really could. It's just built right in on phones and easy to use. And if it could actually answer questions, like, that would be phenomenal.
Yeah, for sure. Whenever my wife like asks Siri a question, or my kids, I'm like, don't ask Siri. It's not going to give you an. Like,
I know.
what are you doing? Stop. But that would be nice, because they still try. It's like everybody still tries to ask Siri. And
I know. Yeah, it was like last winter, maybe, or the winter before, one of those two. I was asking where the Phoenix Coyotes play, and it gave me a completely wrong spot, and I got a hotel in the wrong spot, literally because of Siri. Literally, I had to drive
in Denver.
45 minutes.
They play in Denver. Okay.
No, they're like, they play in Glendale, and it's like, no, they don't. They're playing like Scottsdale, and that's way different. Those are very different. Yeah,
and tomorrow Apple has their big announcement with their iPhone release, so hopefully they'll release some information about it. I'm not sure if they will, but we'll see. And even thanks so much for being with us. More It's New, hopefully tomorrow with more. Everyone have a great, safe weekend. Oh, what am I saying? Safe weekend. Everyone have a great, safe day. Speak to you guys later.
Week. Kick some butt this week.
Yes, do well. But week. Bye.
What was that?
Yes, we should have.
Oh, got you back.